Children, in the last class we have studied numbers name from 1 to 50. Yes? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Do you remember that? Yes. Shall I ask question? Okay. What is the spelling for 24? Say louder. TWENTY 20. FOUR 4 24. Very good. What is the spelling for 7? SEVEN 7. What is the spelling for 33? THIR TY 30 THREE 3. Very good. You have studied, yes? Yes or no? Yes. What is the spelling for 10? TEN 10. Say the spelling for 20. TWENTY 20. Next, what is the spelling for 30? THIRTY 30. What is the spelling for 40? FORTY 40. What is the spelling for 50? FIFTY 50. Okay, very good. What is the spelling for 11? ELEVEN 11. What is the spelling for 21? TWENTY 20. ONE 1 21. What is the spelling for 31? THIRTY 30. ONE 1 31. What is the spelling for 41? FORTY 40. ONE 1 41. Very good. You have studied, yes? Very good, children. Today we are continuous to our previous class. Okay. Today we are going to start from 51. Okay. Today we are going to start from 51. All of you open your maths book. Take page number 6. All of you take your maths book. Open page number 6. Already we completed 1 to 50 spellings. Today we are start to study from 51. Okay. Did you take page number 6? Okay. Let's start 51. Okay, let's start 51. Keep your finger on the number and read with me. Okay. Children, listen carefully. Don't play. Okay. Keep your finger on the number and read with me. 51. FIFTY 50. ONE 1 51. Okay. What comes after 51? 52. What comes after 51? 52. Say the spelling for 52. FIFTY 50. TWO 2 52. 53. FIFTY 50. THREE 3 53. What comes after 53? 54. Okay. What is the spelling for 54? FIFTY 50. FOUR 4 54. What comes after 54? 55. What is the spelling for 55? F-I-F-T-Y, 50. F-I-V-E, 55. What comes after 55? 56. Okay. What is the spelling for 56? F-I-F-T-Y, 50. S-I-X, 6. 56. Very good. Next. What comes after 56? 57. What is the spelling for 57? F-I-F-T-Y, 50. S-E-B-E-N, 7. 57. Next, 58. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. E-I-G-H-T, 8. 58. What comes after 58? 59. What is the spelling for 59? F-I-F-T-Y, 50. N-I-N-E, 9. 59. Okay. What is the spelling for 59? F-I-F-T-Y, 50. N-I-N-E, 9. 59. 60. What is the spelling for 60? S-I-X-T-Y, 60. What is the spelling for 60? S-I-X-T-Y, 60. What comes after 60? 61. What comes after 60? 61. What is the spelling for 61? S-I-X-T-Y, 60. O-N-E-1, 61. Okay. What comes after 61? 62. Okay. What comes after 61? 62. What is the spelling for 62? S-I-X-T-Y, 60. T-W-O, 2. 62. What comes after 62? 63. Okay. What is the spelling for 63? S-I-X-T-Y, 60. T-H-R-E-E, 3. 63. What comes after 63? 64. Okay, what is the spelling for 64? S-I-X-T-Y, 60. F-O-U-R, 4. 64. What comes after 64? 65. What is the spelling for 65? S-I-X-T-Y, 60. F-I-V-E, 5. 65. What comes after 66? 67. Okay. What comes after 65? 66. Okay. What is the spelling for 66? S-I-X-T-Y, 60. S-I-X, 6. 66. Okay. Now all of you take your max note. All of you take your max note. Take the new page. Right. First of all of you write today's day and date. Okay. Children, first of all of you write today's day and date. You have to write the words or numbers means You write after the margin line, okay? You have to write the numbers or letters means you write after the margin line, okay? Okay, right here. Write the number's name, okay? W-R-I-T-E, right. W-R-I-T-E, right, okay? W-R-I-T-E, right. T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. Number's name, N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers, okay? Write the numbers name, N-A-M-E, name, okay? Write the numbers name. Read the heading. W-R-I-T-E, right? T-H-E, the. N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers. N-A-M-E, name, okay? This is today class work. W-R-I-T-E, write. Write means எழுது. Write means எழுது. T-H-E, the. Numbers, N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers. Name, N-A-M-E, name, okay? என்ன எழுதணும்? Write the numbers name. ஒவ்வொரு நம்பருக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு பேர் இருக்கா? 1 means O-N-E, 1. 10 means T-E-N, 10. உனக்கு ஒவ்வொரு நேம்லாம் இருக்கலாம், உனக்கு பேர் வச்சுருக்காங்களா, அதேமாரி நம்பர்ஸ்க்கும் நிறைய நேம்ஸ் இருக்குது. அதனால் அந்த நேமை நம்ம எழுத போகிறோம், ஓகேவா? ரைட் த நம்பர்ஸ் நேம், ஓகே? Here you write today's day and date, okay? Don't forget. Next, this is heading, write the numbers name. Okay, what is this number? What is this number? 5. Okay, very good. What is this number? 5. What is the spelling for 5? F-I-V-E, 5. Okay. What is the spelling for 5? F-I-V-E, 5. Very good. Leave one finger space, okay? Heading. If you write the heading means you leave one finger space after you write 5. Next, second number. What is this number? 20, okay? Here also you leave one finger space. Here also you leave one finger space, okay? 20. What is the spelling for 20? T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20, okay? What is the spelling for 20? T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. You leave one finger space. What is this number? 7, okay? What is this number? 7. What? Say the spelling for 7. All of you open your mouth and say louder. Say the spelling for 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. Very good. S-E-V-E-N, 7. What is this number? 14. Very good. What is this number? 14. Say the spelling for 14. F-O-U-R T-E-E-N, 14. Okay. Say the spelling for 14. F-O-U-R T-E-E-N, 14. Okay. Next. What is this number? 50. What is the spelling for 50? F-I-F-T-Y, 50. Okay. What is the spelling for 50? F-I-F-T-Y, 50. What is this number? 24. 2 6 means 26. Okay, 2 6 means 26. Okay, write the spelling for 26. TWENTY 20. SIX 6. 26. Okay, what is the spelling for 26? TWENTY 20. SIX 6. 26. Okay, this is write the numbers name. 5 means FIVE 5. 20. What is the spelling for 20? TWENTY 20. 7. SEVEN 7. 14. FOURTEEN 14. 50. FIFTY 50. 26. TWENTY 26. Okay. Next, take the next page. Have you written this one? All of you open your max note and write. Children, all of you open your max note. Write today's day and date. Take the new page and write. Okay. Write the numbers name. Write the numbers name. Next, leave one finger space and write FIVE 5. Say and write. Open your mouth. All of you open your mouth. Say and write. Say louder. Okay. Say and write. Write neatly. Write neatly. Say and write ma. 5. FIVE 5. 20. TWENTY 20. 7. SEVEN 7. 14. FOURTEEN 14. 50. FIFTY 50. 26. TWENTY 20. SIX 6. 26. All of you have it written? Children, all of you have it written? Okay, very good. Take the next page. Okay. Take the next page. This is homework. This is for homework. The same, write the numbers name. Did you know write the numbers name? Write the numbers name. Okay. Leave one finger space and write. Okay. This is today homework. Okay. Homework. Take the new page and write homework. Okay. Homework. You should write the new page. Homework. Write the numbers name. Beside you write today's day and date. Okay. Beside you write today's day and date. Write the numbers name. What is this number? 4. What is the spelling for 4? FOUR 4. Okay. Next number. If you write 26 means you leave one finger space. Okay. 26. What is the spelling for 26? TWENTY 20. SIX 6. 26. Okay. Next, leave one finger space and write 30. What is the spelling for 30? THIRTY 30. What is the spelling for 30? THIRTY T-Y, 30. Next, leave one finger space and write 17. What is the spelling for 17? S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N, 17. Okay, what is the spelling for 17? S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N, 17. Next, what is this number? 8. Okay. What is this number? 8. What is the spelling for 8? E-I-G-H-T, 8. Okay. Write classwork on page. Take the next page and write the homework. Okay. Write the numbers name 4, 30, 26, 30, 17 and 8. Okay. Very good. Have you written? Have you written, children? Okay. Now all of you close your maths note. Open your maths book. Take page number 6. Take page number 6. I hope you all taken. Already we completed 65. Yes. Take page number 6. Keep your finger on number 66. Read with me. Okay. 66. What is the spelling for 66? S-I-X-T-Y, 60. S-I-X, 6. 66. What comes after 66? 67. What comes after 67? 68. What is the spelling for 68? S-I-X-T-Y, 60. E-I-G-H-T, 8. 68. What comes after 68? 69. What is the spelling for 69? S-I-X-T-Y, 60. N-I-N-E, 9. 69. What comes after 69? 70. What is the spelling for 70? S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 70. Okay, what is the spelling for 70? S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 70. Next, you come to the next row. Okay, 71. 71. What is the spelling for 71? S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 70. O-N-E, 1. 71. Next, 72. What is the spelling for 72? S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 70. T-W-O, 2. 72. What comes after 72? 72 का அடுத்த number என்ன? 73. Okay, what is the spelling for 73? S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 70. T-H-R-E-E, 3. 73. What comes after 73? 74. Okay, what is the spelling for 74? S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 70. F-O-U-R, 4. 74. What comes after 74? 75. What is the spelling for 75? S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 70. F-I-V-E, 5. 75. Next, what comes after 75? 76. What is the spelling for 76? S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 70. S-I-X, 6. 76. What comes after 76? 77. What is the spelling for 77? S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 70. S-E-V-E-N, 7. 77. What comes after 77? 78. Very good. All of you open your mouth and say 78. What is the spelling for 78? SEVENTY 70. EIGHT 8 78. Next, what will come? 79. Okay, what is the spelling for 79? SEVENTY 70 NINE 9 79. Okay, next, what comes after 79? 80. What is the spelling for 80? EIGHTY 80. Okay, what is the spelling for 80? EIGHTY 80. Next, come to the next row. 81. Okay, what is the spelling for 81? EIGHTY 80 ONE 1 81. Next, what comes after 81? 82. What is the spelling for 82? EIGHTY 80 TWO 2 82. What comes after 82? 83. Okay, what is the spelling for 83? EIGHTY 80 THREE 3 83. What comes after 83? 84. Okay, what is the spelling for 84? EIGHTY 80 FOUR 84. What comes after 84? 85. Okay, what is the spelling for 85? EIGHTY 80 FIVE 5 85. What comes after 85? 86. Okay, what is the spelling for 86? EIGHTY 80 SIX 6 86. After 86? 87. Okay, what comes after 86? 87. What is the spelling for 87? EIGHTY 80 SEVEN 7 87. What comes after 87? 88. EIGHTY 80 EIGHTY 8 88. What comes after 88? 89. Okay, what is the spelling for 89? EIGHTY 80 NINE 9 89. Next, what will come? 90. Okay, 89 after 19. After 89? 90. What is the spelling for 90? NINETY 90. Okay. What comes after 90? 91. Okay. All of you open your mouth and say louder, read louder. 91. NINETY 90. ONE 1 91. What comes after 91? 92. All of you keep your finger on the number. Read with me, okay? 92. What is the spelling for 92? NINETY 90 TWO 2 92. What comes after 92? 93. Okay, what comes after 92? 93. What is the spelling for 93? NINETY 90 THREE 3 93. What comes after 93? 94. Okay, what is the spelling for 94? NINETY 90 FOUR 4 94. What comes after 94? 95. Okay, what is the spelling for 95? NINETY 90 FIVE 5 95. What is the spelling for 96? N-I-N-E-T-Y 90. S-I-X 6 96. What is the spelling for 97? N-I-N-E-T-Y 90. S-E-V-E-N 7 97. What is the spelling for 98? N-I-N-E-T-Y 90. E-I-G-H-T 8 98. Okay. Next, what is the spelling for 99? N-I-N-E-T-Y 90. N-I-N-E 9 99. What comes after 99? What comes after 99, children? Say louder. Say louder. What will come? What comes after 99? 100. Okay, in the previous class, we already studied 100 spelling. Yes? In the previous class, we already studied 100 spelling. Did you know 100 spelling? Say louder. O-N-E-1 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100. 100. Okay. What is the spelling for 100? O-N-E-1 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100. 100. Okay. Very good, children. Now, we have studied 1 to 100 spelling. Yes? Did you know 1 to 100 spelling? Yes. Very good. Okay. Next number, we will see the next class. Okay, children? All of you should write your homework properly. Okay? Very good. Thank you, children. Bye.